Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and I'm your travel agent from Jacqueline Travel and Tours. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin bakit ba may bayad ang mga seat assignments sa inyong mga flights, or if you've booked your flights with airlines. Okay, so ayan, sana makatulong ako ng konti. So usually free po ang seat assignments 24 hours before your flight. So the system will assign your seats, or our airport agents will be assigning your seats for free. But before that, for example, 1 month before, or 2 months before, or 2 weeks before your flight, bakit ba may mga seats fee, or bakit may fee na tinatawag, or bakit kailangan ninyo magbayad? Nagbayad naman kayo ng ticket. So, hindi po ibig sabihin na nagbayad kayo ng ticket, mayroon na po kayong seat na free o libreng seats. Not unlike siguro kung nag-book kayo ng first class or business class, yes, of course, you will have your own seat for free. But for standard economy tickets, or the most restricted tickets, may mga basic economy tickets, kailangan po kayong bumili because of course, discretion po yan or policy po yan ng airline. So, I understand man nagbubook po kayo by group or by family, traveling with family members. Maybe you can chat or you can call the airline to request for your seat assignments together. But then again, seats fee must apply. So if you don't want to pay for your seats, you can call the airline or chat with your airline 24 hours before your flights. O di kaya, wag kayong mag-alala. The airport agents will be helping you out to at least assign your seats together. Kung hindi, ma'am, pray na lang kayo na ma-assign kayo ng seats together. Okay, if you don't want to spend extra money for the seats, yes, 24 hours, just wait. If you don't have yet your seats, the airport agents will be assigning your seats, or the flight stewardess. Okay, they are the ones who will give you seats. Don't worry, ay baka maubusan ako ng seats. No, your seats are safe because you have your own ticket. It's just that the assignments will be assigned at the airport. Hindi po libre minsan. Minsan, yes, may mga libre pag nagkataon po, pero madalang pong mangyari yon. And what else? Of course, this is also for the help of our passengers with disability. If you have disability, you can ask for the seat assignments for free. Nasa batas po yan. Kailangan po magbigay ng libreng upuan at comfortable seat ang airline pag may disability kayo. Pero syempre, hindi po pwedeng business class. If your ticket is under standard economy or basic economy, your seat will still be in the same class. Hindi po pwedeng may disability ako, gusto ko sa premium cabin or sa business cabin. Hindi po pwedeng ganon. Pati po pag may mga irregular operations, hindi porket may delayed flights or canceled flight from standard economy kayo nakikita ko mayroon kayong mayroon kayong availability seat sa business. Gusto kong sa business, canceled yung flight ko, delayed yung flight ko. No, it's not that way. Okay? So, I hope you understand. Pwede i-rebook, pwede i-reassign, but the same cabin or same class of cabin lang po. So, ayun. Sana nakatulong po tong video na to. Again, seats are subject for fee, or fee must apply. But again, if you can see that there's some seats, you can check with the travel agent or the airline agents if they have free seats. Mayroon naman minsan, mayroon naman sa mga ibang flights. But most of the flights, fee must apply. Kung mayroon, it is subject also for change ha. System generated po yan. It can also change. Magagalit kayo, I have these seats. I have assigned my seats before. Bakit nawala yung seats ko? Again, because it is system generated. Huwag kayo magagalit sa airline kung naiiba yung seats ninyo. Prerogative po ng airline, discretion po ng airline, maiba yung seats. Again, it is system generated. Hindi po tao ang nag-iiba-iba o nagre-reassign ng seats. Okay, it is system generated at may voluntary changes palagi po ang mga seats at mga flights po. Okay, so again, this is Jacqueline Aranza Mendez, your travel agent. So if you have some questions, or if you want to book your flights or vacations or travels, we are welcome to accommodate your request. I'll be happy to assist you with your domestic and international bookings. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great day.